Hello from Cygnus Centre of Excellence. We present our corporate workshop conducted for Clirnet Services Private Limited. This was a workshop for the sales and the pre-sales team. It spanned across 4 Saturdays. It covered verbal and written communication, catering to their specific difficulties and their areas of interest. We had eager, enthusiastic participants and wonderful feedback from each and every one. We have recorded the feedback for you to hear. Here we go as we hear them. Thank you.
Hi, this is Amrita. It was really a fantastic session, divided into 4 modules. So the pre-difficulties which we were facing before this communication skill training. So we came to learn a lot from these sessions, and we have really implemented those in our day-to-day activities and engagements with our clients. So definitely we are looking at for more such sessions.
Hello, my name is Arpita. I have learned many things from Rajrupa ma'am. I have learned how to communicate with clients, how to write proper emails. Thank you ma'am, and definitely I want more session from you. Thank you so much.
Hi Rupa ma'am, this is Farad Parveen, and I would like to say thank you that you have given us your valuable time and in the communication skills sessions. I've been taught from you very well, and you are very humble while you teaching us. If in the future I require any help, then definitely I will contact you ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am. Bye.
Hello, Devushmita this side. Thank you ma'am for the entire session what we had for the last 4 weeks, and I really enjoyed all the session. My takeaway from this session, especially the written part, as I have some weakness on this part and you have taught the way how I should handle all the things. Other than that, the verbal communication, the moreover, everything was okay, and the thing you have taught us is very good, and I will really looking forward in future that I will have some more session with you. Thank you.
Hello Rajrupa ma'am, this is Angela from Clirnet, and I am the PreSales team lead. Thank you so much for giving us such wonderful sessions. We had 4 sessions with you, and we had both written and the telephonic sessions, which helped us a lot, increasing all our negatives. And I really thank Clirnet and also to you to spend your so much time with us and also improving us. Thanks a lot.